Today I'm going to do something. I also do gold panning, placer mining here in northern Alberta. There's not many places. I don't get a lot of gold, but I wanted to try something I saw from another gentleman on YouTube who makes his own sluice mats. Now this gentleman's name is Alan Robinson. He's got his own YouTube channel. I will link it in the description, and I'm just going to go through the way he does it and see how it works out. Now, as you see, I 3D printed my own way of doing this. He uses, I think, a casting material, and I decided to 3D print this. So we'll see how this turns out. I've got my silicone, and I'm not sure how many tubes I'm going to need for this. I'll try it with one. If I'm wrong, I'll add in another. We'll mix it up, and we'll see how it goes. All right. Now all this is a mixture of water and Dawn dish soap. He was doing, I think, a 50-50, but he said that might be a little too much. I tried it with a little thinner mix. We'll see how it works here. Once I finish this tube off, I'll mix it up and see if I've got enough. Close. And there we are. Okay, I'll mix it up. Oh yeah, I'm going to need another one. That's not enough. Alright, that's okay. Here's number 2. Now, I like the stuff that Alan does. He makes a lot of his own prospecting equipment. This is just one of the things. He's done some interesting things with 5-gallon buckets. I really would advise you to go check out his channel and see some of the very interesting things he has built for him to go out and prospect. He gets real gold. I don't get anything close to what he gets. This is only my first full season I'll be doing it. Yeah, he's got a few years. He's gone to some interesting places in the States. Being in Canada, I don't have the access to some of the places he's been. I could go north into the Northwest Territories. That's only like a 6.5-hour drive for me, and I could try my luck there, but that's a long ways to go. Okay. Alright, that might be enough. Oh, yeah, there's quite a bit in there now. Alright, let's mix it all up. Make it into a ball. Make sure all of it gets on there. Hopefully you're seeing this. I'm trying out this equipment. This is new to me. This is only my second real video. The first one was me doing a little melting of aluminum cans, and I want to do a follow-up with that stuff later. I got an interesting request from SW Dweeb on a little competition they're having, or I guess it's not really a competition, just everybody kind of does their own thing on however they do stuff, and it's getting a little stiff, and then we all show it at the same time. I will leave a link to that video too, so you can see what he's offering. I really encourage a lot of people out there that make stuff, be it in welding or printing, to go in and try this out with us. All right. Let's see here. How are we doing here? Well, it seems a little firm. Okay, so I think I got it all. Hard to say. It's always hard to say. All right. Heck. Now, let's see here. I don't know if you try to get all the soap and water out or what. It's in the. At least it's not sticking. So we will lay it in here, and we'll see what we can do. About getting it into my mold. Now I do have a piece of plastic here. I'm gonna try and get into all the nooks and crannies in this. So I do have a lot of them, and I don't want to miss any of those cells. So let's push it all in there. Push it all in. Now, I think he said it would start to harden up after about 10 or 15 minutes. So I'll get it all flattened out. If I can. The way I wanted it to, maybe. We'll see. I think the fun part will be trying to flatten it out. I might still have way too much water in this. Let's see here. I don't know. I don't know. We will see, I guess. Seems like it. I guess I'm just trying to smooth it out. And hopefully it turns out as good as his did. He did a really good job. It looked quite remarkable. Now that's what I got left over. So I think I will just leave that. That looks like about a tube and a half would have done it. Okay, I'll just leave that, and we will see if it hardens up like it's supposed to. And we'll come back and we will take it out of the mold. All right. Okay, we've waited for a little bit here, and if this is any indication, this should be ready to come out of the mold. All right. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Beautiful. Almost perfect. Look at that. Okay, I will let that harden up. Okay, so I only need a couple more of these. This ended up being 12 inches by 5 inches. So what I'm aiming for is somewhere around a 36-inch piece when I'm done. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to make up quite a few of these and then put them together. Okay, this turned out great. Big shout out to Alan Robinson on his channel. I can see I've got some imperfections I'm going to have to look at fixing, but for a first try, that is not bad at all. I think when I mix the next one, I'll let it sit a little bit longer, and I'll really work at getting it into these crevices here, and get it done proper. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. When I get this complete, and I think I will follow some of his guidelines, I'll get some food coloring and try some of that in here. But when I get this complete, I will be giving it a test run, and we'll see if it catches any gold. All right, thank you. Link and subscribe if you can. I know I'm a young channel, but I plan on getting as much content out as I can. I do have a full-time job, so I've got to kind of go between that and this. I'm hoping to do more of the 3D printed design stuff on my channel, and we'll go from there. All right, thank you.